Hello everyone, this is my first video and I just want to make you aware that I'm not no watchmaker, so I don't know all the terms of all the pocket watches and or what it needs or what it entails to be getting it repaired. I'm just making this video to help you, a potential buyer, determine if and how much you would like to bid on my item. Right here we have a 1908 Illinois pocket watch with a movement serial number of 1746582, grade 175, model 5. The estimated total production of this item was 17,935. It's a 16 size, 17 jewels, open face, nickel finish pocket watch. Now, you notice here, this pocket watch is in non-working condition. However, when you hold it in a certain position, it runs. Now, why it runs when you hold it in that position, I don't know. But right here, if you hold it like this, it's running perfectly fine. Now, when you lay it down, eventually it'll stop. Right now, at the moment, it's not stopping. However, I'm disclosing it as non-working condition and auctioning it off for parts and or repair only. If you want to see the condition of the movement here. Okay. So now let me show you. Okay, see right there? It stopped. Why it stopped, I don't know. But then you turn it this way and there, it starts running again. So there's something wrong with this pocket watch. Okay, if you notice that it has some engraving, not very neat, of course. You notice the crystal is badly scratched. You want to see the condition of the dial. There it is. It's a set lever. There's a set lever so you can set it. Okay, now I'm currently in the process of listing this up for sale. It's going to be auctioned off at 99 cents starting auction. I don't have the item number yet because I haven't listed it, but you can find me at orotreasures on eBay or 14 karat 8 ball. This will be listed under orotreasures. If you have any questions, or if you'd like me to post any videos of any items that I currently have on, I will do so. Just send me a request and we'll go from there. Thank you and have a great day.